how am I? I feel like I'm genuine, depending on the situation. Yabo. It's easy for you to approach me.
Okay.
I'm an approachable person. Yeah.
Come slow.
Yeah, no, that's and I'm gonna udlia menhloko hayibo. And it was like your first time. What was happening? Take us through your experience, like eating G scop.
Since I'm a weird person, ngiyadlala. Njengoba ngikhipha imbambo.
Ngibele urufu
Yo,
mntwana wami.
langa lonke imbambo.
Nje ngimbambo.
Wena
Mina amnangashaya.
yo.
Ngishaya kuphela. Shaya impela.
Thatha Jonas.
Iyatshela.
I'm Jonas.
Angithi ngigule.
But were you approached by niggas?
They approach me even now. So, hello, unjani? Ngenzeni?
What?
Ngibulise. Ngenzeni? Okay, hello. And then
Akumachita ka ngiyayibona nami make sense angazi kanjani mara kithi hayi. Angeke.
So again, it's not allowed.
Yeah.
it's not to
It
say it's
is
not
allowed, but then
It's weird. I mean,
It's
angeke.
weird.
He makes
it's
not
kinda
allowed.
weird.
Personally, ayikho allowed. Yeah.
sisabonelana manje. The
Oh,
next time
I
masisixabene la uzothi sibonisakalo simnyama next. Hayi.
Ivelela kanoni.
What came into your mind was be like, uthathe a decision yokuthi, you know what, I am very starting a brand.
My mom. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, ngipushile tsai. Sebenzisa ngeke athi ubu-celebrate ba. Yeah. Like
Just
yabo
use of fame.
pusha ibrand yakho nani because awazi izolasta nini if izokulasta yokusebenzela might as well ucala ibrand. Plus ngifundisa like ube uzothini khona ukuzimela somehow. Ngizolo lokuthi mama ngicela yakufundisa nayo ukuthi no kumele uzimele cela upusha kusamanje.
Hey yo, what up good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martin, and as you already know, we are back with another episode, and I'm not rolling alone. Who am I with today? Let's first start here.
Where is too fine.
Sure to see.
You guys are here with Shorty.
Shawty,
Yes, sir.
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling chilled.
You're chilled.
Yeah.
It's always like this.
Yeah,
Chilled.
obviously. Always. Mr.
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Unfortunately, yes, I do agree.
Jonas. Yadala.
Man vele ongathi like wake wangena mhlambe icosweni saka Jonas.
Boyithu.
Phakathi kwenu.
Boyithu.
Boyithu. Wena wangasifaki.
Mina Shorty nowethu.
Wena wangasifaki.
Hey, uJonas lavo. Kahle kahle umshana wabo uJonas ibona nje angazi ngithi
Umshana wethu.
bazenza umsmakaleni.
Hey.
Okay, ubani?
So now you're playing girls.
No, unfortunately not.
Lovable.
Are you a loyal person?
Yeah, I am.
Yini enmaziyo?
Uloyal ya. Very loyal.
Manje.
Okay.
Manje.
Munch.
Okay. I'll just some nigga too, but like if we were to give you a chance just to describe yourself, like how are you gonna describe yourself?
How I would describe myself is I'm a bubbly person. I'm not a tough biscuit to crack. How am I? I feel like I'm genuine, depending on the situation. Yabo. Konje ba re nka Zulu ngumuntu wabantu. Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's easy for you to approach me.
Okay.
I'm an approachable person.
Mm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's how I can describe myself.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you guys feel like maybe like if like as much as you just said that you're a genuine person, ane, do you feel like can like people change you like in a way you would say maybe if like uthola umuntu akuphathe to or akunike like a certain treatment agcine eshintsha the person that you are?
No, because as an individual, I have values. So since I have values, I need to stand by my values all the time. So if a person tries to change my values, they're not for me. So they're probably not gonna change me because which means they don't align with my values. Yeah,
It's
so
like
they
they
can't
have
change me.
control over you.
Yeah, it's one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, wakhuluma isilungu.
Yini otatazela manje? Siyatatazela. And ngibona udliyama enhloko hayibo. And it was like your first time. What was happening? Take us through your experience like eating nje scop.
Since I'm a weird person, ngiyadlala. Yeah, obvious ngiyama enhloko hayi. Yabona ukudla nje abomholi. Ukudla nje lokho ayi bakungakazi next. Ama-gents ayabona hayi ka. Ngidla ngiyama enhloko. Ngiyama enhloko. Ayibo ngiyama enhloko ngizodla ngiyama enhloko. Ngibona ngathi ayi enhleki. Sukube ivlog nje. Ishaya ngiyama enhloko mara inemnandi yo. Imnandi mara ngeke azame yo. Ayi
Ngimbi.
bad experience la. Angirecommend. Mara ya leya imnandi yo. But yeah.
And uyazi nyama insizwa leya.
Yeah, nongiyayizwa na.
Uphuzile umhluzo.
Yeah, konke.
Oh, hayi.
Shaye konke.
So you enjoy it, ne?
Yo blind yo. Enjoyile.
Ayimnandi.
Now kwayidla.
Mina,
Yeah.
Always.
Wena always.
Yeah, mnyama enhloko ngiyayidla yo.
Nineties.
Hayi.
Wena shawty.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hayi nyama enhloko.
I think Jalen Ved, if like you guys were given an opportunity maybe like to be like an actual gent like for a day, what is it that like you would do?
Siba machita.
Yeah, like for a day nje, like into engayenza like sesi like umchita, you've got yonke into yomchita, like into ongayenza nje for a day.
Shirtless.
Shit.
Njengoba ngikhipha imbambo.
Ngibagibele iroof
Yo,
mntwana wami.
langa lonke imbambo.
Nje ngimbambo.
Kanetha hey.
Bheka.
Mina like I'd beg the mummies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shy mngani wami.
I'd beg the mummies. I could it's for a day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow they'll be gone.
Yeah.
I'd try and beg like all of them.
Oh,
Beg. For a day. Good or goyang.
Uyangithola.
Mina
Nothing
nje.
to it. I was,
Shy.
yeah.
Yeah, shitless.
Ngiba utosi mina.
Utosi
Skipper nje asikho
Ushawulana.
langa lonke.
The whole day.
Oh, they will take.
Mfana,
Yeah,
ngiyakutshela.
baba.
Ngiyakuma-pool. Hey, Nkosi yami. Eish.
Uzula ngayo.
Ufuna bathi ama-rider weze wonke ngiskipper vela ngihwadla.
Same time.
Wena
Mina amna ngashaya.
yo
Ngashaya kuphela. Shaya impela.
thatha Jonas.
Iyatshela.
I'm Jonas.
Angiyashaya.
Angizigibile.
Angithi angiguli. One day.
Yo.
Angiguli.
Esifanye ngikulo.
Yeah, one day kuphela. Kusasa sengibuyele phela.
And I want to understand yes, cause when I do understand ukuthi you guys like actually like at this point you guys like feel like gents, ne?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
actual gents.
Azange sithi
not on my
sinama-gents.
side.
Yaba mara ya asifani.
Not on my side.
Yeah.
I'm still a female.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm a female that is attracted to women. And I dress masculinely so I don't identify myself as the opposite gender because I can't be the opposite gender. Do you understand? So I'm still a female, irregardless of my circumstance or whatever. Yeah.
Can't when were you like what yini that made you like a lesbian? What how did like you become a lesbian? This first that day.
Which wrong. Obviously being a female that is attracted to another female. I became one because I'm attracted to females. You understand? So I don't know how, but I feel like this was me from the get-go. Why understand? I don't know how, but this was me from the get-go. I never liked girly stuff.
You never liked girl stuff?
No, even though, parents,
Yeah.
they when you're young, they buy you stuff that are like girly. You have to accept them because you're still young. You don't know how to speak out. I understand. But I knew from the get-go that if this is what I don't like, then it's not me. I understand. Yeah. Yeah, that's it, yeah.
So you never dated like a gent?
No, I don't know.
Good. Yeah, nangikhuthaza.
No.
But were you approached by niggas?
They approach me even now, so hello, unjani, ngenzeni,
What?
ngikubulise, ngenzeni, okay, hello, and then
Yeah, but remember the guy is interested.
yeah, the guy's interested, but am I? That's the question.
So you're
Like,
not.
they are bound to be interested because, as I said, I still identify as a female. So they are bound to be interested. So I don't blame them. They don't know me. I don't know them. So they are not at fault. They see what they saw and they did what they did. Now, how they would respond is they would respond through my response. So if I respond in a manner of like, then they would say, oh, nah. I understand.
So it's a queer.
It's a queer. Always. It's a queer.
Yeah, ne? Okay, like to someone who doesn't know, like, Shawty, like, where are you from, and take us through like your background.
Okay, I'm from Soweto. I was born and I still reside in Soweto. And my background is not into it. I was just a young kid, man. Even now, I'm still a young kid with dreams. It's not into my background. I just grew up in a well-groomed family. Yeah, that's me. That's my background, and that's me. Yeah.
And you guys are all friends, aren't you?
Yes.
How do you guys know him?
Yena was mina kuqala.
Okay.
Yabo.
Yeah.
And then kenzakaleni kuzo beng live or kenzakaleni?
Yeah, I think
kuzazi short umazi ngami.
Okay.
Because ufollow mina kuqala. Then sahlangana eJodine.
yeah, I think
But that day azange sikhulume.
yeah.
Sikhulume ku TikTok.
Yeah, Judy. Yeah.
Mara
yeah.
azange sikhulume ku TikTok. And
Okay.
then yabazana nazana kanjani
Ku live.
Live,
ne.
Angazi boki live kabani.
I
But
think buke
yeah,
ngoba ngihlala
sure.
live ish
Yeah.
yeah. Eyam then
Yeah.
ke.
Ngicabanga usholi kanjalo.
Bacabana kanjalo.
Ayasiza la live, ane? You get to meet people. No, it's all lama gift la cause bathi kunemali lapha kuma
Yeah, mina
live.
ngisakhona kuba live. Angichefuni. Eish.
I
Mara it's
ayatholakala,
fine.
but
Ayatholakala.
not all the time.
Wena usakhona kuba live, why?
Eish, account yami ngishaya ngama age restriction.
Kanti wenzani wena ma live?
Hayi khona maybe basireportile or something.
Ay, they can't just report nje. Obviously.
Mina mengiba live angibi live ngiwani. Iba live nawo. Nabanye abantu abangani
for
bami.
ini.
Then basireporta sonke ma so ay ngazi.
So mina yami ibuyile mara ngiyakwazi ukuba live.
Yeah, bonke kahle kahle. Manje mina
Sikusele
it's
ushoti
fine.
kuphela.
Kusi-train smash though.
Okay. Kanti what are the motive like maniba live? Let's first start there. Maybe the motive kwayona nje it's going the other way around. Maybe that's why. What is the motive for to be live on TikTok? Nina yini le agenda so can push kuma lives?
Vele yini?
Siyaxoxa
nje,
sa engage nawo followers.
Yeah.
Normally. If
Ba request asibafaki bakhulume nathi yabo.
khitshwa ama talent like ama live wethu afana.
Matalente.
Yeah, maybe uzojoin like then so ay talent lakho yini mina ngenza into kanje okay like kuba fun manje angazi
Yes, I got talent leya. So kahle.
Because most of these lives kuyashelwana.
Ayethu.
Thina sibiza ngomndeni.
Ayethu.
Singaki?
But nina bangakho again bathole ku
Yeah,
you
seven.
like yo
kuma group call or kuma lives.
baningi yo baningi
Njengo
Ubani?
No, like bayajoyina vele like banyana like vele bajoyina ne. Mara like
asibashele.
yeah
that's not the
Sokuncoma.
motive of our life. If it probably was the motive, then yeah, we probably would have had like a lot of them.
yo vele
Mara harba life we don't do that.
Mara kuncoma sokuncoma sikutshela umuhle inini yabo. Yeah. Mara
Yeah.
sikushela.
But not nonke namanga cause nina like yabona ama lesbian azoba like no mina like I'm a loyal person like no can portray this image of having one girlfriend. Did you guys realize that?
No,
wonke umuntu usho
wonke
kanjalo
ama-lesbian asho
yeah
kanjalo.
and yamanga vele
Yeah.
Like my player kuzoba nalomntana oyi1 lozobuka ukuthi lo mshado
muyiplayer vele uzobona ukuthi lo hayi uye lo wapi lawa abanye uyabona ukuthi awunandaba makuthanda lo mara hayi leyo ukuthi ngivele umuntu abe nomuntu oyi1 hayi
Ushout nithe naye uJonas bekenzani? Asike si
Hello.
asingehlisa.
Hello.
bekenzani?
Next.
Hayi.
Next.
Uzibhayise mfethu.
Mina.
Camba manje emakhamereni.
I don't know. Why limpitsa Jonas? Why limpitsa
mara nathi kule relationship akuyo
Yeah, akuyo
manje before
manje,
smosha yeah
Yeah, angithi
Yeah,
I know
but
about
sakhe.
past
Prime,
yakhe.
njengaye.
Yeah, ukuthi what was happening take us through. Yini lezinto lezikanibheka zenza?
njengoba nanitshalante kanje yo kubogela angazi yo kuzongivakashela hayi lapho uhayi wakhe ayusho ukuthi hayi akufuni unomunye ayakuya something like ay
You I know guys.
isikhuluma
Man,
Ngabashintsha.
Ew.
Yeah, take us through your past like of you dating girls cause now angithi they say uJonas.
I was never Jonas and I will never be Jonas. I don't know how I'll take you through it. Mara. Ngiyajola. I played.
yeah
I was on serious. You understand? Yeah. There's nothing to it, man.
Nothing.
There's nothing to it.
Ikhona into mhlambe ozothi mawujola that ube like you know what maybe like I'm a loyal person but uthola ukuthi maybe ugelo yakuflopela ended up mhlambe so ushintsha so uba like you know what this thing of being loyal is not even helping anyway you know.
Yeah,
Might as
like
well just go with the flow.
Yeah, like if gelo flopa, then why tlamele ke be loyal?
yeah
What is the use of me being loyal?
But then you feel like she's not loyal. Awukho sure na ukuthi loyal.
Oh, angikho sure.
Yeah.
If angikho sure then naye kumele angabi sure ngami ke.
Yo.
Yeah.
Angithi like akiyo sure ka yena.
Yeah.
Le nna tshwantsa ska ba sure ka nna. I understand. It's a 50-50 thing. Right, so e jwalo taba. Cause nna ke tlo dula ke di one tse ke yo like ntse ke betha ke stress wa bona dilo tseo a ke batle stress because a ke kenyetse motho stress wabo so yeah e jwalo 50-50.
Okay, so when cause mangithi there are different kind of lesbian namastud bougie and stuff so when ufala kuphi
I'm a stud.
you stud.
Masculine.
Have you ever dated like a lesbian?
Like stud on stud.
Yeah.
No
Never.
thank you.
Is that not allowed, Devel?
It
No,
is,
we're not
but-
saying it's not
We
allowed.
just don't prefer.
It is, but it's not our preference.
Like
Yeah. Because there are
Doesn't make
studs that date
sense,
studs
no. Ish.
and bahle bona, but it's not our preference. We understand. Okay, your preference?
Nah,
Oh, okay, it's not our preference.
So now angeke ujole sinye
yo
stud.
mina ngeke bafu
Bafu, mfowini.
cabanga ngijoin nowethu
Can you see? Yeah.
Like, I make
it's
sense.
Yeah,
I make sense even.
Then kuma relationship ebenikuwo like yake yafika to a point whereby maybe ugeza no girl wakho and whatever.
No. Eh?
No.
yo
Ugeze
mabona icabanga
no. No.
Jonas.
But uyayicabanga mas.
No, nikbatla u rephrase a question.
Oh.
Ake cabanga next angazi.
Awucabangi next.
Ake
namangazi,
cabanga next
ayi.
angazi.
Kanti iphelela lapho lento ukuthi ngijole ayifiki to a certain extent ukuthi ugcine seni
Sesigeza sonke.
yeah like
Ah,
seni cozy
No.
or seni
yo boy yabona yafika lapha ngitsingile imoto
Lapho sesishadile.
hayi
lapho.
vele
Sesigeza
Hayi.
soyi-2.
Hayi. Shuthi siyashada next month.
serious.
Phela segeza soyi-2 asisahlukani.
yo
Asisahlukani. Sesigeza soyi-2. Ngigeza umqolo ngigeza umqolo.
got your back
Hayi. Angeke. Asisahlukana.
ngoba vele yo
Because like that's why uwetshwa kanje because like udumela motho hao hore abone you private areas. So you doing that, which means you trust her. Do I understand? So wamothepa and then atlega metla.
cabanga ba uthepa
Imagine.
uthemba then ufuna
And then yabo and then awutsetse metla avaye. Do you think uro
Awu.
udlalumela?
But iyenzeka nalento
Ah.
but it's not new.
Okay.
Why get it's normal ukuthi iyenzeke?
Okay, iyenzeka ne.
Yes.
Iyenzeka magayela.
So kini it's not a like it's
ngithi ya
We're not saying it's not allowed. It's not
Ngoba
our
ngiyangazi.
preference.
For now.
Yeah, for
If you get to the stage wazi ukuthi asisahlukani.
hey.
Uhleli manje kubhora. Ashem no.
Hambo
So thingeli PS
Senza
supply
plan.
will be right.
Senza plan.
Something.
Yo something angeke.
okay. Content ishilo ke futhi. Angithi nithe uthe ushort mawubona wethu ubafa ngithi. Even noma ubona ushalo ubafa. So kuyenzeka ukuthi nonke nigeze.
No.
hey
That's ubafa mos.
Ngeke.
Manje sithina
Ungageza phambi kwakho.
yo.
akumajida ka ngiyayibona nami make sense angazi kanjani mara kithi hayi angeke
So kini it's not allowed.
yeah
It's not to
It
say it's
is
not
allowed but then
allowed.
ish.
weird I mean
It's
angeke
weird.
he makes not
kinda
allowed
weird.
personally ayikho allowed
Yeah, for me on my side,
Khona bayenza.
I mean it's not my preference. Oh, what?
Ikinga is
So mawugeza nje like none of your friends should come into the room.
O tla kena se ke apere.
and sengigcokile vest
Yeah.
kanjalo
Yeah.
ngibonele.
But you just said ubafa mos.
Ubafo. Ubafo.
But kanjani because akwazi ukubonela.
Mara ubafo uza nama boundaries.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Especially tsawutlhapa tsona. The biggest boundary. Awu.
Sisabonelana manje. The
You-
next thing
ah,
masisicabene la uzothi oh sibonisakalo semnyama ngazi. Hayi.
ivelela kanjalo
Oh, yethu. Ayo.
Ngala ngiyakutshela.
mina as much as
Yeah.
if iyafika lapho angeke ngikubheke ngizoba maybe business phone
Yeah.
ngibheke akanginaye ngithi yo kai
Ngiyangihlala nokuhlala ngiyaphuma mina.
hayi
Yo
Ngoba-
ngeke.
Like why tshwantse umponela akibaleki lo tlhapa ka bo.
Yeah, simple.
unless angazi sesifika kule stage angazi
Sesicheza
comfortable
sonke.
to the point angazi maybe but okwamanje hayi
Ay zero for now.
Hayi zero.
Hayi, zero.
Mina
Hayi.
forever zero.
Hayi.
Not for now. Forever. Hey.
So even no girl like ukuthi mhlambe nizama ukuba intimate naye or like ulale naye to an extent ukuthi azakubonele it takes like a lot ukuthi zifike lapha ayithathi nje just a girlfriend ukuthi
Yeah.
no
yeah
should lawo girl bethu nina musanibenze next
hayi ukuthi
No comment. I'll pass on that one.
mina sengiyiphendule
No comment, I'll pass on that
sengiyiphendule
Yeah.
hayi kithi abo bayenzi next
Oh.
ngoba yenza something mara maybe yena usuka ngekho kid
oh So kuba ugeli kuphela.
Yeah.
Nakuwe.
Imini.
Una futhi kade wavuthwa wena.
Ha.
Like
Angavuthwa mina.
ugeli uye kuphela like
Ubangqo.
yeah.
No, like for manje ngisese touch me not. Ish meaning explain touch me not.
Nazo.
Touch me not.
Ish. So thing
Ina
is
nemthetho engaka. Kade nemene nambe nebhuku ukuthi
Yeah,
umuntu
yes.
mawufika nje ku date.
Funda la.
Before. This is not a,
Yeah.
these are my preferences.
Yeah.
You see?
So you touch me not is start ukuthi mases makuntomazane start mabahave akusi 50-50.
Okay.
Ngiyangithola. Mina sengiyenza 50-50 nomuntu wami. So uyangazi engimsho ukuthi asisahlukana. Uyangazi ngiyakwazi. Yeah, na.
Okay.
Sangazi ngilipona. Angeke. Makale ukuthi sigeze sonke namanje. Yeah.
Why? Because like
Sayakwazi.
Uyangazi sha ungaze embhedeni hayi bhavini.
okay, makabela kwazi pavini.
No.
Yeah, okay.
For now. Like cabanga sakhe.
Okay, maka do you think izofika lapho?
After 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
So wena kahle so committed manje mos.
Mina kabhlungu.
Yo, mshado. Yo.
Babuza.
Yo.
Senini ke?
Ayikuthungisa mpa imshado. Ishumshado ngegama. Akabu mshado.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understandable.
So niyaba committed nani?
Yeah.
Hayi mina ngiyangifaki lapho.
La, ushothi unebhadi mina ngazi. Amngalomo unebhadi wena. Mele
Shothi
semhlabeni.
phela wena ngikwazi ujola nozinhle.
You.
You. So ujola nobani ngani manje?
Yo.
God, enibukela podcast ne? Ungangifoneli.
Yeah, akayibukeli ka. Yangazizwa ngibathu yazi. Hayi asajoli nozinhle.
So thola omunye futhi.
Eish.
Wena ngathi uhlezi uhlezi ugona wena.
Angigogoni mina angigogoni. Mara indaba kazinhle. Eish.
Kwenzakaleni phakathi kwakho nozinhle?
Hayi angifuni singene kuyo. Hayi leyo part eish. Kaza. Ngasi mara.
No short awukwazi. Awufuna ukwazi?
Let's keep it private and confidential. It's fine.
Awufuna ukwazi?
Mina.
Yeah. Mina ngifuna ukwazi.
Hayi nakho.
3:1, so it's a loss for you.
But guys, why ngifuna ukwazi? Akachaze nomuntu size ukuthi what happened. You just want to know.
Hayi
Wena
ndaba.
utshela ukuthi nihlukene sharp.
Yeah,
Bathi
siyena.
why kenzakaleni?
Ngiloze spark. Ngazi izinto eziningi but yeah. Spark trust so angeke ngibe nomuntu engamthembi. Yabo.
Nomuntu ongasamfiki.
Yeah, ngingasaya. Makakubhora umuntu hayi. Hayi ukuthi angiyangisa mara ish. Like yeah.
Lento leyama.
Yeah. Ayisekho yeah. Eish. Ngiloze spark shitene eziningi. But yeah, we cool though. Hey. Grand.
But not it's always the case. Kushort uhlezi elahlekelwa ispark nje kuma relationship. Out of nowhere.
Cause eish, ngazi now my ngiyagagamela ngithi ngasho.
Uyagagamela.
But yeah,
ngomzimba wonke.
Yeah. Base musokuthi M2 vele sifocus esikolweni. Hayi mina ngifuna stress vida ngifuna stress.
So manje sovuke ngejazilisha futhi.
Nakho
mos.
Very much quick. Just a simple pill umele ngasajoli mina. Amara.
Okay, short.
Eish.
Just a simple pill.
Uyashela noma uyaphika nje.
Hayi. Sesithi ngiyaphika.
Yes. Jonas.
Yeah, sithi ngiyaphika mara.
Mawuhethwa yilo it's so simple just for you just to move on.
Yeah. Very simple.
For Tina it's simple. For Tina.
Yeah.
But then lo manje mina ngahlukana
Hayi
naye.
lo yena.
Ngizohenga nje.
I mean
You.
whatever happens mina like ngisala jawa bidai.
Yo.
Ngiyadlala
Ngiyadlala ngizimaka ngizoba head.
kakhulu.
Ngizoba ne-depression.
Angiyakuthola ntona.
Yabo that's why ngingathanda angisafuna ukugagamela mina.
Mina nginezizwe usho ukuthi ugagamela nge2 months.
Wenzani kanti?
Ntana yami
Ugagamela like okay, so umuntu mhlawumbe ungaunderstand my gagamela sokwenza.
ngithanda kakhulu like mina
Uyangenelela.
nginothando mina. Nginothando kakhulu. Ngiyathanda like yabo.
Yeah, but abageli bathanda lento leyo mos. And
Exactly.
yini an understandable girl the most.
bese
'cause
lapho bayakhetha
Ngingabo bayimosha. Mina no way. Tsana ndaba mina.
mina ngigagamele after 9 months khani ngigagamele yabo yeah yena 2 months is enough
No, phela ayikuthi 2 months. Suke umuntu akhona maybe sengimfundile sengiyamazi. Obviously uthanda ulubili kakhulu. Then khana iba officially manje. Ayikuthi in 2 months.
mara nawe
Like
Nje,
like ugagamela like
mina
sisitete like ukujola like nawe suyagagamela ngoba suyamazi
uyangibuza kuyangitshela.
ngiyabuza
Uyangibuza ukuthi like maniqeda ukujola. Same time uyagagamela.
ngoba suyamazi
Ay, mina I study a person first.
yeah.
I
Uyangithola.
do-
Ngiyangivini
and I
ngiyakuthanda.
study like
Hard.
ngathi ngifunda isikolo.
Ntwana yami if you 1 year, kwaba yi1
Ake
year.
bathi
If 1 year
mistake.
4 months.
Me
2
personally
years.
I'm a lover boy yabo. So
Sure.
I don't like flings.
Yeah.
2-minute noodles. I don't like that. That's why I study a person.
Mm.
I study you until I decide, okay, you probably might be my match. Let's see.
Let's see.
Hey,
Yabo.
actually,
Yeah.
2-minute noodles. Oh, I don't
Hey.
like them. Oh,
Hey.
because now it's gonna seem like I'm a player,
Player, sure.
but I'm actually looking for love. I understand. Yeah.
okay. What are your red flags like in a relationship?
In a relationship, let me see. Honesty. If like a girl doesn't have honesty, it's a big red flag, because why you not honest about a certain situation?
hey yazini
Also transparency.
azungikhumbuza
I'm not saying tell me everything. Uthi, okay, ke a tsoga, ke a robala, ke
Yeah,
tlhapa meno.
but then
No,
Sure.
be transparent with me. Ke a
communication
tsamaya, ke a kae, ke a gutla. Communication. If you don't have communication, like masingabantu fun, I understand. So there are people that are not good in communication, which is not a bad thing. They just need to learn how to communicate. But for me, if like you don't have communication to a certain extent, it's like a red flag, because why can't you communicate? Okay, this is how I feel. How can we fix this? I understand. It's a red flag, because when you're in a relationship with someone, it's obviously because you guys, both of you, see something in each other. So if we both lack communication, or if one lacks communication, how can we grow? I understand. So no communication means no growth. I understand. Yeah. Also, what? Let me see. A girl who's like too much.
How?
Don't don't be too much.
Sure. Hey.
Too much. You have different perspectives of too much. Some people think I get too much, like you clingy. No, be clingy. Yes, be clingy. The too much that I'm talking about, like, is oratadilo.
yeah
Like Oscar ratadilo.
But you know girls are like that, man. Girls like things. And
Girls like things.
Like nice stuff. And lento le
Okay, that's a different thing. Abona kere. We
Too
have
much,
different
I find.
perspectives.
of too much.
Yes.
Okay.
Ha kere Oscar ratadilo. I mean, like, wena
wena
umuntu lana ulapho. Kimo wena ukwa. Chomeka imo umo. Why understand? Don't be too much. Even though I know hore, like girls, they have their own, like, yeah, I understand. It's normal. Mara, don't overpower the too much. I understand. Yeah. Yeah. What else? Also, what else? Let me see. Yeah, I think that's my red flags in a relationship.
Nina?
awuzisho zonke ubafu
Awuzisho zonke yazi. Hayi, zisho zonke.
ukhohlwe one nganami
Yiphi?
Ntombazane ethanda ingoja.
Hayi lezo nazo yoya.
Umuzwa wathi baby ngisayobhema ipipe lapha
Nabo-
ejideni.
Okay, yangoja akikeni haholo because I don't often go for girls but amandingoja.
Ndingoja.
Okay.
But then sometimes you don't know ukuthi lo hamba
Uthanda
ingoja.
exactly.
Yeah.
Awazi.
Mangala nawe
Vele.
You'll find out like so good.
So
right?
far-
isikhathi
Zi.
sekayakutshela ukuthi baby ngisayobhema ipipe
Yo.
umbuzo ukuthi kuphi emajideni.
No, if iyetsala kona nto you might as well stay in majita.
Yeah,
Exactly.
simple.
Yeah.
You might as well
Yeah.
ubatla
Because
Uyohlalela skiff lapha.
no zithanda
like ish I don't like these snacks things
Eish.
man. Ish these that's why ke ga malava boy so ish intso tse ding di tla ka mawala wa bo ene ish na kutlane dilo tse ish
yo.
Ngoja.
So, ugirl majola nan, like she can't be friends with like
No,
actual
ungaba
gents.
nabangani babajida asinandaba
Uthola
mara
Ish.
mele
Boundaries. Like
ish mele bangakwazi noma bangakwazi maka bangakwazi at the same
bangakubona every
time
day sebakubona every day
Aliyesi.
fanele khuyeza uzobay flavor fanele khuyeza uyabona
sabazo routine yakho baze nje
Yeah.
hayi yabora
you can have friends
it's
whether
fine
it's male whether it's female
yeah
you can have friends but in order for you to have friends your friends need to respect me so that I can respect them because you're in a relationship with me not them. I understand. So the friend thing, I'm not into it. You can have friends, it's fine.
It's
But
cool.
let's have boundaries. I understand. And also respect between the lines. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what you guys basically saying, Guti, your girl should know your pose, not like other gents' poses.
yeah
Yeah.
yeah
Eh?
mina into engisho vele
Uyakai mo.
for in
lezadi
Uyakai mo.
like
Just to chill with the gents, like,
Aye.
no
you know, just chilling.
thola amajida ayinani ugelo wakho yi-1
naloma bathi abangani bakhe mara sometimes I switch on hayi
so phela suyajola manje
yeah
suyajola and uyazi ukuthi umuntu akho overthink acabanga angakuthola uhleli lapha namajida amabhaya
or
Uyi-one
besides
intombazane.
nje umuntu makangangena naye angeke ayibeke nje ukuthi hayi abangani bakhe bablomile usecabangela kude ubuza hey ka sibonile lesi sakho la
Sesiblomile amajida.
yazi ihlaba kanjani yo
So, you guys like are not at ease with like girls actually like chilling with gents like most of the time.
Me, I'm way too at ease. I'm chilled about that issue.
like it's fine but then
that's no problem feeling ade
don't do it
me,
too much
I'm chilled. Like, why should I be uneasy? What if the friend came before me?
yeah
I understand.
see
Really,
So
they
now
did.
because I'm here, everything must break.
yeah
Everything must now shake.
Really they did come before you.
Chill with your
mara
friend,
manje
yeah.
mina
Mara
I don't
manje,
mind.
like,
since
Respect
relationship
boundaries. I say
Suyajola phela manje.
only. Yeah. I'm not too much. I'm just simple.
Okay.
Yeah.
asikho controlling nakhona
But it
'Cause-
sounds like you're controlling.
No.
Nah.
asindawo noma bangabayi-20 abangani babafana mara ezilong wazi ukuthi ngo-relationship and intombazane akusumfana lo muntu ku-relationship naye yena uzoyicabanga ngendlela wena ezilong nje angazi ngithi umeet halfway ungamcabangisi
Yeah,
kakhulu
yeah.
khulu vele hayi izobhora
Okay, let's talk about like your current girlfriend.
Oh
How
no,
is she?
guys. Okay, can we? Okay, it's private and confidential information. But yeah, I'm in a relationship.
Or you're dating?
Yeah.
Okay. How long have you guys been dating?
Yeah, hey la.
La tibang focus.
How many? 7 months.
7 months.
Yeah.
Ibambile.
When I show it's less than 2
La
months.
mina ningangibali.
manje.
Vigi.
hayi
Ah.
ningangibali
Una 1 week.
yeyi
Asazi
ningangibali
nathi nathi asazi.
Eish.
No, nazi.
Asazi ukuthi bajole how many like ish.
You can't short. You
Eish,
can't
eish.
girlfriend. Like, how long have you guys been dating now?
Yo, ayish ngicela sindlule hayi
Ayindluleni.
hayi nave mina ngaya kuye mina ish
Ndoda bakhona nawe.
no mina ngithi ngiyasho ukuthi
Oh.
Okay, anengitsheleni ke. If now, as much as you guys like Naboba, for you guys are like brothers, and let's just say your girl, you're with your girl and your bros are here. but now your girl like she's got interest maybe with shorts. How do you guys handle that situation?
Uphendula or nizophendula?
Ngizokutshela.
Okay. Qala.
Angithi uzobafuna shots. Kudependa ku shots ukuthi yena uzothini ku girl because ushots umngani wami. Yebo. Angindaba no girl sharp right aka girl. Yena umngani wami omkhulu uzothini kumuntu wami. Ngitsona.
Okay.
Yeah, yena umngani wami omkhulu uyadependa ukuthi uzothini kumuntu wami. If bayajola it's fine. Mara yena ngasongikhulumisi nje. Akhohlwe yini. Because khona abangani ukudala umngala ngilandaba. Ngoba ushot abangani babo bakhulu. So mabazenza kanjalo. Then yeah, I don't believe in revenge. Mara ngoba bona bayenze kimi bona boyithu. Jonas.
Yeah, it's valid. Yaphendula shots.
Yafani
like
because
when I got to copy and paste then
no kuyavele ngintombazane
kuya ngomngani hayi umuntu amufuna umngani wami yena uzoresponda kanjani
yebo
with you.
Okay, mina kimi it's a thing of if my girl has feelings for any of my friends, because at the end of the day she's an individual with feelings. I cannot dismiss her feelings for someone.
Thank you very much.
I understand. But how I'm gonna react, it's a thing of equity. Okay, it's fine. You want my friend. Since you want my friend, you start being attracted or having a crush on my friend. What is the purpose of you being with me? If you're gonna see my friends and then you're gonna like them. You can like them, it's okay. But like them and then fail because you're in a relationship with me. If you like them and then you want to pursue something with them, go on.
Simple.
I'm not gonna hold you.
So it's like that.
I'm not saying phone. Hamba juba.
Then tell me, Shawty, what's your type? How does your type look like?
Okay, realistically speaking, my type is light skin, shorter than me because I'm short. Yeah, I'm short.
So if like she's tall,
if you're taller than me, at least be like okay, here's my shoulder. Probably like at least be here somewhere along these lines. Don't be too tall. Yeah, short, cute face, like be pretty. Like be pretty, like iba muhle. Understand? Like iba muhle because I believe I'm also
gorgeous.
I understand. Nami muhle. I understand. So
Umuntu
umuntu omuhle mabahlangana benza into enhle. I understand.
Yeah.
So iba muhle, be short, be nice, be petite. That's my type. Short, nice, petite. Pretty face, cute face, whatever you may describe it as. Yeah, that's my type.
Pella, they say short people, like in most cases, they struggle to find partners because of now. You always look at the height to go see, hey, this one, like, you know.
It's a real.
Because most pretty girls like they're tall. You see. Yeah, most pretty girls like they're tall. So, like, can you say and confirm, yeah, well, it is the truth?
Yeah, it is the truth because the pretty girl that's tall might want you, but because of your height, they no longer want you. Why? I understand. Like they might want you and say, "Yo, like, nyamfuna, manje, height yak." Just like that, you out of the list. Why? I understand.
Yeah,
I know. I get you. So none of it, you struggle to find.
I mean, I'm struggling.
Serious? When you get umuntu ngamjola.
Hayi yo, giraffe ngeke. Yo.
Giraffe.
Yamara ngeke ngijoyina. Umude kakhulu hayi.
Why?
Because mina ngifuna uqubula umuntu wami.
Yes.
Mawungaquleka la kimi manje ngizokuga abantu umude.
Uzokukwa uyi.
Uzoba ngathi ungikhaphe crutch, izoba weird because ngizohamba naye bazoma approach. Angeke babone umuntu omprotectayo. Azo yayi. awususe sure chomi ngcosa usele intwana ufuna ukringa cabanga ntwana
Ubama mina. Yo mina.
yabo
yo
kuba njalo so ngabi mude kakhulu ngoba mude ube mude obunormal hayi yo hayi chomi uhamba nomntana kini yo boy ngicela uchief ngirengene sister lakho lapha imedi yami hayi.
Tell me, like, struggles that you guys go through. As much as, cause I feel like I'm a gents in a way, like actual, like I'm a cheater. Some of them, it might not be all of them, but some of them, they don't take you guys seriously. Honestly, if you guys like are dating, like girls and stuff, you see, Baba like, I can just, I'm so just tell me, like, I'm a struggle that you guys go through, like as I'm a lesbian, dating girls. Cause manje vele, like as much as you believe good in a machita, obviously you need to be a protector. You see, you need to protect your girl. You see, now ubona like that's like your place, like it's your position. You know what? I need to protect my hand. You see, so yeah, but most gents like they just nice, but you know what? You see. Just take me through, like, I'm a struggle that you guys go through because of how much it's not taking me seriously when it comes to girls. Ukutenzana amagents anhluphe enzani?
Hey mina ngazi mina
Marif na intombi yakhe yathatheka.
Mthathe okumlwela angayisimlwela
angeke ngilwele
hayi leyo ngeke
noma uthathekile umuntu nawe yebo simomfuna umuntu uzomthola angithi nafunana noYouTube akushelile wathatheka wakhohlwa yiyo sharp uqhubeka wakhohlwa but then there's no struggles at this point.
Yeah,
there are struggles.
There are, ne?
Yeah. Like we go through homophobic people.
Eish,
And those people, since you said boys are one of them. Not all are homophobic, but just that little percentage is homophobic. So people that are homophobic is one of the struggles that we go through as members of the LGBTQ. Also, what else? Like bathoyenya bashiman. Like sound like that percentage that I'm talking about. Abana peace. I understand bathoyenya, like you can see hore ke motho o jwang, but like why do you wanna bother me if I'm not bothering you? I understand. Yeah, I think for now it's the homophobic thing. I feel like people haven't adjusted to the world changing and showing out that we have members of the LGBTQ. They still adjusting, which is fine. They'll digest it slowly but surely. Yeah, that's the struggles that we face.
Homophobic.
Yeah.
Okay, then like, do you guys find it difficult now with girls? If let me just say maybe you're in a relationship with a girl, you just got this hand. You guys like just recently started dating, ane? Like, Omunyo would say, obviously, as much as you guys see yourself as gents, like obviously you'd want to portray that image, like going back, it's like I'm a nigger, you know, like umchita, like umchita. So, like you need to give me a certain respect and stuff like that. Like, do you guys like actually get to a point where by now you have to prove yourself like to a girl who would say, actually I'm a man?
No, I'm not a man. No, I'm not a man.
I'm a woman.
Let's take it back. I still refer as a female. I'm not a man. I'm a female dressed in boys' clothes, and I'm a masculine female presenting individual. So I don't think I need to prove to anyone my masculinity and how masculine I am. I don't think I need to prove to anyone or my significant other.
You go to start understand.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because sifuna bondoda must.
Bondoda must.
And I mean, I'm not a daughter. Na ake monna motho.
So Nina, ne keep your allowance. Girls find the allowance.
So yamthenga amenza kanjalo.
Ayithikini.
Ukubheja kusinkinga. Ukubheja okay. Makukuninga imali manje
every month.
Umsebenzi wami. hayi
Manje kuba ngathi ngiyakondla
allowance
phela.
awuva
yo
Abantu bakini bayenza mina manje kondla.
hawu
No, but you must understand ukuthi that's what we do. You see
You
the struggle
yes,
that we
like
go
I
through.
was-
you see
Fana.
that's the thing
Okay,
asifani
if ufuna girlfriend allowance how much wanomfana ke?
yeah
Ungiyeke. mina.
asifani don't think that we both masculine presenting siyafana
yeah
asifani
as
We're not
much
the
as
same.
sizibona ezamajimbo
wena move allowance move it's fine ke a
So idla so.
Yeah.
Mnike so.
nna ke tla mo spoila itshwenye mara nka se mofe allowance
sure
no
So no girlfriend allowance.
no
No.
no
No, but bengi millionaire.
probably if my girlfriend allowance is okay if I may explain it game a girlfriend allowance is like probably giving like your significant other maybe money for hair probably nails
Yeah, that's yeah.
that's my allowance
ngithoyidla nabosipho
we
Yeah,
understand
number
yeah
So how much when maybe would you give like your girlfriend as a girlfriend allowance?
if I were to say ngiphana nge-allowance
Yeah,
bengizomupha malini
yeah.
probably is it monthly or
Obviously.
once in a while
Monthly.
Monthly. Yeah.
Probably I don't know about like 3K
yo mali
probably like 3K 2.5
500 is enough.
I mean at least bo
Yeah.
1k
Ngiyadlala.
yeah
Okay, like
Aye.
it depends ukuthi
wenzini
am I
wele
financially stable?
yeah
yeah valid
Girlfriend allowance.
allowance
Because if I was a millionaire,
Mm.
if I were to give you girlfriend allowance, we would give you more 20k
monthly so
monthly. Yeah,
okay
if bengine mad. But then for now, ngisasengane mfethu.
hayi manje mina vele zero
So
Hawu,
mawuthi
nam-
baby, mawuthi baby ngifuna imali yokuchina, and umuntu abantu bethu bacina ngama 800.
yabo esekiri 2.5 3,000 because if kufa 2.5 500 seyile clar ulogile ka yona o setse ka 2,000
Ukuchina ngemali encane.
ma no se ke etsa example
Oh.
se ke etsa example and then o setse ka 2,000 eo obvious o tla batla wetsa manala probably maybe manala I don't know
350.
probably
Ah,
it's
Mali-
300 400 I'm not sure
yeah
on that
300 amazipho.
sure 350 there
5, eh.
Five.
From
Oh,
500 from 5.
oh that's a lot
yo
Yeah.
ayi ngaka
then obviously mriri ke manala and then the rest obviously it's for her to spend so uyabona nje ukuthi it goes along with the financial stability
mina ngikhiphe imali yazi yo ayi
No,
ngishasha imoto
example.
When I always
Hey.
keep it next.
hey yeah yo hey mina ngazi mina aphela abo bafo vele ya lezi zangikhuthaza mara na right mina hayi
Yakhuthaza ukuthi imali yakhishwa ne?
mara ki mayiphu
Mina ngikhiphi njalo. Mafuna ukuthenga impahla samzithu. Asambe. Sithenga impahla.
ntsiki mawubhekile ubani ukhipha phakathi kwethu soyi-3
akhipha kakhulu
Yeah.
yeah
Eh, bafobeka
wait ayidanga
Futhi ubani odliwayo kahle kahle, ubani odliwa imali.
ayile
mina
sure
Lover boy.
Keep imali bafo.
ish
ayile
Yeah, because
bese kuba uyi
Mina
allowance is too high.
thingitshela
Uzwile.
ngitshele nami. Ngoku relationship yami nomuntu wami. Umuntu wami ukhipha imali kakhulu
ish
compared to mina.
mm.
Into enza ukuthi nami ngikwazi ukukhipha imali ngoba naye
Oh.
yena uyayikhipha.
ukupha leyo nto
Ayidlala.
ukuthi ish
Yeah, ngcono nami
ukhiphile thina
iyangithola.
minithi kancane.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Take me. Okay, guys, fill me in. So, girls do give you guys money.
yo mina shemazi nginebhadi
They do.
njengoba bashilo
Girls are also lover girls. Let's
Why
not
keep
forget.
mad?
Let's not forget. They
Yeah.
also
Thina bayikhiphi musimani.
Oh shit.
yabona ukuthi that's fun.
Yeah,
Yabona
yabona lapho
that's fun.
yabona.
uzonikela wena
Yabona.
uzoyinika mina
ama contractor wafana. Yabona.
Angadona nje umbheja. Yena uBenjamin. Ngemali yakho yonke. Yena uneyakhe.
As
mara
fun.
okay bayikhipha imali
Abayikhipha bona.
imali yokugonda so into ezincane
Yabo.
Amakasigundi imali eningi lezo abazoyikhipha yokugonda.
mara at least something
At
ungathi
least
baby
intwana
ngilambile
bafuna like umuhle yabona
Angithola.
njalo. At least. It is not.
You know how much money like have you got like from your girlfriend? What's the highest amount that you say your girlfriends once gave you?
How much? Eish. Ngikuki check angikho sure.
Yo.
Okay.
Angikho sure.
Bakushaya
Baphila
ama-notification.
Hayi
Phila iphupho lakhe, ne?
phela.
mina ngazi yo
Which means abamniki cash most the month.
Hey,
Abanginiki cash mara.
athi short
Oh, mina okay ngibheki.
yo mina ngazi yo iningi yo
yo.
yo
Yo.
mina ngazi
Yeah,
Kwanawe.
yini?
Short nathi kusala wena la wena.
Hey.
Because usacheck.
Hey, I mean it's fine. Mina
unemali yakhe vele
ngemali yami.
So idinga imali entombazana.
Ayuthi angidingi ayifuna. Mara ke
Yeah,
simo sakho.
it's
nami
2K.
ngifuni
2K.
Yeah.
2K. Yo. Konsiya.
nkosalo
Yo. Ay.
And it's
It's
not like
fine.
ungifile yona
It's
like at one go. Probably like ishkibe jwang.
moyidinga
No, not like mangidinga.
njena nje like kuyisenda
She didn't give me at one go. She just sent like
2K
time to time,
From
not like
time
at
to time.
one go.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the most I can say. Yeah.
Okay, no, I get you. Then, what's your love language, right?
oh
Okay, my love language is words of affirmation,
Yes.
reassurance, gift giving, or whatever you may call it. And probably the last one is the well-known one, physical touch. Yeah.
I was short ngiyazi so I
Physical
couple
touch.
matching outfits wena ufanele lezo yazi.
Fanele
Aze
yizo.
yangifanele le.
Yeah.
I mean a physical touch ne reassurance. Yeah.
mntwana yami reassurance bona le
Yeah. So top izokuphela ezinye
Hayi,
maybe
lezi
sezingaba
zikhona ngoba
mara.
zikhona
Yeah, yes, I top 2 izo lezo.
my love language is to say good night when you go to sleep
Okay. If you guys like were to give me like tips on how like to keep a girl. But namantombazana still awahlale kini. Because
Hayi,
short 2 months is
ngimehla.
2 months is
yena
La 2 months angazi bathi 2 months usakanze kuzavula kusi 2 months.
That's example.
utshela mina manje
Okay, sikupha ama tips one.
awana
tip of how like to keep a girl.
Yo.
Like what would you
Champagne.
tell me?
shampa makuzolunga
Wrong.
yadlala
That's isizwe ama tips wena.
why mina eish ngathini ma angazi
Make her feel special. That's yabo.
awu intombazane ungayenza ufeel special mamfana mangakufebela into okudlala intombazane
Ayikudependa ngomuntu mara
But
mara ya.
mawafebela nina nwazi. Thina sini.
ucela thina sifebela
Yo.
Yeah, ngisho khona
Shuthi
mangabe
into
bakwazi
omtshela.
ukufebela nina.
Hey.
asifebela thina yo
Have you ever been cheated on
Yeah.
Yeah.
kenyiwa
with another lesbian or a gent?
Imagine a gent.
imagine
Just sus.
and it's
And
always gents
It's not really like
Ne?
it's always gents
it's not really like they're wrong or something, but like ew. Why would you do that? Why didn't you cheat on me to another start and then later on go for a gent?
Yomfaneni.
Yeah, I understand. Like
It's hard to find us.
yeah. But it's fine. I'm over
Yeah.
there. It's okay. Yeah.
And what's the difference? Make cheated and cheater rather than going for
uyangidelela
another
I mean
start?
ayikho mina mina
Ah.
okay uwe inhliziyo yakho phela ngoba ngimara bayibona i-disrespect
What's difference again?
Okay.
The competition. That's the difference. Kalibala, that percentage of boys that I was talking about, they're in a competition with us. So, if a girl cheats on us with a boy, it's basically like they winning the competition. That's the difference. The difference is competition.
slow mina in ay
Ay kodwa nakade bekugida bekuchitela wena.
mina
Wena?
inkinga mina ne mina mangijola ngiyafeba
Yo.
ngekazami bengifeba
Vulgar language.
oh so akusi 18
No, it's fine.
okay sorry okay ngibonga uJonas
Simple term.
yeah bonga uJonas yabo but then masingithanda intombazane lengiyayithanda ngibaloyala khama Shawukhama
Yabuya yonke into vele. Nayi lethi kade aziyenza.
Lemle ngiyenza uyenza yimi. And then yenza kabuhlungu ke. Oh, yenza kabuhlungu yabo. So but then yeah. Makalwa manje.
Mina ufundise yazi lama tip la bengithi wanike mina kahle bengifuna ukwathatha wonke ngoyise ku short because
uthi ngikunika ama tip
yabo because uyohlule ukukhipha amantombazana
Kuni
Ayikuthi mina ngincenge.
in order
wangincenga kanti.
no sonke
Angisho ukuthi mina ngincenge. Ake ngibekezele mina. Ayi ngina patience. Mara yaqhubeka.
so once a girl cheats like it's chai there's
Yeah,
no if like she can try to if like she can try maybe to apologize, you know, try like to make it up to you, it's pointless.
no you can apologize your apology
Mara
is
inhliziyo
accepted
ikhathike.
your apology is accepted but hey move on
Yeah, it's child.
Cause I
like I'm not gonna hold a grudge because you did what you did your apology is accepted
gone kanje.
that's it
Okay,
Sure.
you're about to give me tips.
oh yeah the tips ishkuri sizolo sampala kana ba reng ungathanda umuntu wakho kakhulu mthande ngokwanele I understand wasuzwa zola ke
Yeah.
oh yeah ungathanda umuntu wakho kakhulu mthande ngokwanele so that she can not take your love to an advantage I understand what else be open with the person that you're in a relationship with show them love so
Okay,
that they can show you love I understand
Manje
yeah.
what if you're that kind of person who it takes time for you to open up in a relationship?
It's normal akere we are in this together yeah so if it takes time eventually as time goes on you're gonna see okay this person is genuine so why not open up right so
Okay.
yeah so phela vele masingabantu asifani vele so
Yeah.
abanye vele kunzima like open up mara if you like if umuntu wakho uyabona ukuthi like okay the person came with good intentions then I might as well right?
Yeah, I
Understand?
might as well do the
Yeah.
same. Yeah.
Okay, enough about love and stuff, ane? Okay, because I think all of you guys are YouTubers, ane?
Yeah,
Because I
Yes.
saw now you've got a channel, ane?
yeah, I've got a
Yeah.
channel.
Like, take me through like a life of a YouTuber. Like, how is it like? Is it kind of like different, like from just like being a normal person, or it's just like you can just live your life like everyone else, or like there are certain things that obviously because now like you're more like a public figure, so there are certain things that you can't do in public. Like you've got maybe like you've got maybe like your own pros and cons, which tend to be your guidance in whatever that you do. So yeah.
Okay, Tinguzo wena ukuthi kunjani kuba YouTube.
Hey, vele ngoba mina ngikho lapho.
Okay, kuba YouTuber. Yeah, kumnandi but yakhathaza, kuyadraina.
Okay.
Kahle. Yadraina cause editing you overthink ukuthi whether abantu bazoyithanda le video engiyenzayo or angeke bayithande.
But then I feel like it's the same as a TikTok content creator.
TikTok I feel like ingcono nyana.
But then TikTok you do a single video, you overthink with a single video. And understand?
Maybe whether
Baba you go TikTok you.
I post phela mina ku TikTok.
I'm not about you.
Ngizwa mara ku YouTube
yeah.
hayi mele
Editing.
icabanga yeah iyadraina lento leyo ngokwayo
Yeah,
because why ngibona isigela editing i-video nani ngithola ama-viewers aya-motivate na if ama-viewers abaphansi like izinto eziningi ayi iyadraina though but yona ifani if uyayithanda into yayo iba mnandi but yona-ke iyadraina ayi kakhulu yo iyadraina.
Yeah, okay, being a YouTuber on my side because I feel like I'm still new on YouTube. It's not bad because you are basically showcasing your life or broadcasting your life, how you're living on a daily or on a monthly. So it's not that bad. The cons of it is like shorts ashilo, like the editing and the overthinking, if like people are gonna like it. Just because I like it, what if they don't like it? I wanna switch it on. Yeah, it's nice being a YouTuber, but it comes with a lot of patience. You need to be patient.
Yeah.
With your craft. I understand, because some people that do YouTube, they're not patient, so they expect quick results.
1 million viewers.
I understand. And in order for you to get quick results, you can't rush greatness. Yeah. So that's it.
But in Piliyoni, did it change like in any way from the life like you're living prior you becoming like an official YouTuber? Like, did it change in any way? Where you'd say now, I can't do this, I can't do that, you know? Like now the stuff that you used to do that which now like you can't do.
Yes.
You know, there's certain stuff with like which like are hindering you like from doing those things. You see, so yeah.
Okay, for now on my side, I don't think these things that are hindering me. I mean, yeah, for now I don't think there are things that are hindering me from shooting proper content.
What is exactly like your goal of like with this YouTube thing? What is it like your goal, when like that you've set for yourself that this is what I'm striving for. This is what I want to achieve, like probably in the next 2-3 years down the line.
Okay, so my goal on me doing YouTube is basically, I started YouTube because I believe I'm a content creator. I'm not yet an influencer. I'm a content creator, and also I'm a photographer. So I thought Uguti, YouTube is there, so why not somehow showcase my talent of being a photographer? In that way, it's easily gonna be shown or broadcasted to people who don't know. I understand, and the goal is to become one of the best photographers or vloggers that vlog photography on YouTube. By doing that is busy showcasing my life, some shots that I take in my photography work. Yeah, so that's my goal. Yeah.
When a shots?
What was the question?
We
out.
I was saying like you map my goals on now, like in terms of since like a YouTuber, you map like my goals on. It's like this is what like I want to achieve with this YouTube thing.
Oh God, let me see. For now, but I have to work hard so that my idol becomes my competitor. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel.
And while on that, shout out to you actually. I mean to your own 5K subscribers. Let's give it a round of applause.
Thank you.
5K subscribers. So yeah, hey, we are pushing because I think the last time you were here, Bogu, how many? 2, one?
Okay.
3.
Yo.
2. Yeah, 2. Yeah. Yeah.
Did the podcast help you like in any way?
Yeah. Logo podcast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Take us through, like, what is happening? Like, did you get calls, people texting you or saying,
like,
what was happening? Like, take us through. Now, I think you will share
like
your own experience.
So, say me been going in down because no se kaslam.
Okay.
Or like, hello, ungu podcast in media. Yeah, like, indawo engazicabanganga nje, David Sword. So, like you told ukuthi kuwe lo kumephuma into enjalo, like kude kanje yona ngazi. So yeah, yona sizile ayisizile because nomuntu omdala, like okay ngidala kakhulu, but then uma 27 wa like kuwe lo kumephuma yibo laba, like bona ukuthi mamas mamas yeah.
Where now we too?
So I'm sizile blind yo. Namafulaza mu TikTok avela khuphuka. Like noma ngiya boma Westgate Mall. Abantu bangirecognize ukuthi uye lo kumephumile. Mara the question I get all the time is ukuphi shots.
Yeah.
Like bacanga sihlala sonke.
Yeah, ne?
Bacanga sihlala
Yeah.
endlini A1 sisonke all the time.
Yeah.
Aba understand ukuthi no, we're just doing content together, that's all. We're not together all the time, yabo. So bacanga sihlala sonke. Sisibiza ngama-twin, so bazocala ukuthi vele ama-twin.
vele bahlala
Kanti
babodwa.
next.
Yeah.
Yabo. But yeah, it's pushing Maple Media. Shout out to you guys.
Shout out.
Shout out. Let's give Maple Media a hand.
Sbong. Okay. I think there are a lot of people that now want to be podcasters, YouTubers, content creators.
Futhi
you know.
content.
Yo.
Yo, content. Yo.
Yeah. Like in your own perspective, where do you think we are going with this? Because like a lot of people it's like people are like, you know what? If like they see something which is working for other people, they just wanna like jump in. It doesn't matter good see what they wanna face, the struggle. They don't do research. They just wanna happen. So when I go like, where are we going with this?
With content.
Yes,
In terms
like,
of me or everyone on the.
like with how things are moving, like as much as I'm saying good see people like now, it's like as much as Nana content creators, I think like it's a lot of people now but go about my content creators.
Yeah.
Just like guys can see what is happening like on the net. So cause manje, I believe a good mina like is meant to do
Their own thing.
You see, you can't just jump on something that you don't know. You see,
Yeah.
and hope ukuthi you're gonna get like the same result as with shorts. You see, yeah, you see, because abanye banibona nabangani so and you're all YouTubers think like
Yeah.
now as much as
Alone.
my friend like my friends maybe like I'm a forex traders. I can just happen and become a forex trader, you know. So where are we going with that mentality on its own? Uguti people now are jumping on stuff which because of they see Uguti Uban is doing big on that. I can also do it, you know. And the omunyoba like, I can even do better.
Yeah.
You see, because they tend to be like that and not understanding Uguti like maybe you're not built for that. Maybe that person is built for that. As much as when there's one of my flaws, a lot of people don't see that.
So
Okay, nifupendula.
no, ngifuna ukusho ukuthi like not everything is for everyone. You
Yeah.
understand? Like if when you made to be a content creator, then it's yours. If you wanna be a YouTuber, then it's yours. But then go YouTube, everyone is doing the same thing now.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu sekavlog.
Uyavloga.
TikTok na bangani bami bayithiwa ama-YouTuber maka mina angayenzi YouTube.
You see? You see?
I don't feel the pressure of doing it.
Mm.
But then they want to do it because they like it
Mm.
and it's fun for them. But then I don't want to do it because I don't think it's for me. TikTok it is for me, but then Facebook yakho,
Yeah.
YouTube yakho, Instagram yakho, TikTok yakho, same thing as her. But me, you see, TikTok is for me, as I can see. But then YouTube, I don't think I'll make it with YouTube. That's why I don't want to even start. I do have a YouTube channel, but then I'm gonna post. Because I can't use ngoba ushot sakayenza, ngoba sakayenza. That's pressure. Just do what you want to do. But then if you have a YouTube channel, yenza. But you vlogger, wonke umuntu. That's why ngithi ngingazicabanga ukuthi mangavula YouTube like ngizoyenzani because wonke umuntu sakayenza
Same
i-vlog,
thing. And the
same
content.
thing.
Yeah.
ngithola. So you have to be different. But then mabayenza. Ngikhuluma ka.
Okay, where are we going with this content thing? Akithi ke wrong, but
Not content, but this thing of people harping on stuff which I believe I would see.
So
It's
Maybe
not meant
it's-
for them.
Yeah, maybe like you're meant for something differently, you know. Just like
okay.
Giving people insights of like Uguti, you can actually do better than what you think you can do at this point. You see, you can do better than that. You see, you think when you can be a YouTuber, just vlog, but maybe you can be a business manager or like
you
can be a
see, yeah.
businessman, you know. So you see, which also that's on its own, maybe it's gonna work for you because that's your department. That's what God actually
Probably blessed you with.
wait,
yeah.
you see, yeah.
Okay. I don't know how to answer it, but ish, the only thing I'm gonna say is
Okay.
We all doing the same thing because we have access to what we're doing in terms of content. We have access to all social media platforms. We have access to, so because we have access to all social media platforms, people who see that that specific content is fit for them, even though it's not fit for them, they eventually gonna do it. Yabo? So in conclusion, I'm gonna say we all gonna do the same thing, but only a few will make it.
I wanted to say that.
That's I think that's my perspective.
Ndikhabatsa abantu because manje umuntu uzothi hayi mina isikela ngisiboni impilo yami content wara and
manje thina zabangani sogcina sisibe competition sisodwa. You understand? Njengomunye kanje.
Ubani lo manje?
Oh my God, it's fine. Anonymous.
Yeah, what's happening? Am I lost?
You're not.
No, you here. You're not lost.
You here.
Yeah, but who's that anonymous?
Anonymous.
Yeah, you can keep the name, but what's going on? You can keep the name in the closet. It's
lo
okay.
muntu lo usibona thina as abangani bakhe i-competition. And thina excuse me, siyaphushana sisodwa. Mara nisibona as a competition. And then ngisebenza kanjalo. Because usithole la and uzoshiya la.
Yeah.
You understand?
Tough.
Yeah.
So it's like that now.
Me on my side, I don't see my friends as competition.
Okay.
Because if I see them as competition, we won't get along.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
I don't see them as competition. I see them as people that I am growing with.
Yeah.
In terms of the space of work that we're working on.
Yeah.
That's how I see my friends.
Because sweet three so content.
Exactly.
Sweet three. But then you sing it in Kumusho Digabe manje.
Exactly.
Because in number followers amaningi mina.
And then tiyafana ne brand.
Yeah.
Yabo, because bangani bethu one brand uyi-1. Makayi-1 yeah. Before ngenze yami. And yiyo bangimotivateile wala akayenze. And mina hayi ngingayiboni into ukuthi hayi mele ngicala i-brand because nayi nama challenges wayo ngiyayazi. But ngathi hayi akayenze thola usizo vele. Shout out to Dada. Mara ngathola usizo.
Yiyo le.
Yeah.
This is your own brand.
Yeah, Swenkubangeni. Yabo. Swenkubangeni. Help uye mntana kubo. Shout out to Liseng ngitsala. Mara ya uyo ngisizile ngama design. Mara igama okay ngizile nalo. Mara i-design uyo ngiphile. Yabo ngisize indaba zokuprint indaba zanzani ukuthi into ihamba kanje quality. Because manje if othi nayo uzoba nekhona hayi lese ne brand nami sinyoyenza. Akaze nama challenges nayo ukuthi aba nani.
Singenza ngoba ngifuna ukuhlela shots.
Yabo. So competition nabangani bakhe. Mele sizane.
It's not healthy.
Yabo.
It's not gonna work even.
Yeah.
Why when you took a decision to actually say, because my umuntu can actually give you an idea which you can try and start this, but at the end of the day when uzohlala uyicabanga ukuthi do I really want to do that? So in lento leyo what came into your mind uzobe like uthatha decision yokuthi you know what, I am very starting a brand.
My mom.
Okay.
Yeah, ngiphushile tsai. Sebenzisa ngeke ngathi ubu-celebrity ba. Yeah. Like yabo.
Just use a fame.
Pusha i-brand yakho nani because awazi izolasta nini if izokulasta yokusebenzela might as well uqala i-brand. Plus ngifundisa like ube ngothini khona ukuzimela somehow. Ngizolo lokuthi mama ngicela yakufundisa nayo ukuthi no kumele uzimele cela upusha kusamanje because impilo short ama opportunities mancane ukuthi mina ngisengidecide uqala i-brand sengili yabantu ayabasang ngisana lento le
Usana spark.
yabo so manje hayi and abantu abaningi like hayi guys i-grand wena futhi in ngoba kucala washo umuntu owazi like hayi omunye so different people plus more ne support kubangani bakho iba yabo cause naye ngamfonela noma ngifonela last minute ngitshela ka nga1 hour ngiyavaya mele ngenza into kanje uzoyishiya yonke into mela yenza aze kimi azongisiza cause mina ngazi cause into ayenzile actually so yeah.
Sometimes it's good like to have good friends, isn't it?
Yeah, I love I'm blessed mina akwana lezi.
Wena ngokwakho, how do you say ukuthi this is a good friend? I could actually live with this person. As much as unga nakontombazana, like you see ukuthi does she align with the person that you are, like with your character, your personality and stuff. Then with friends, like how does it look like?
Okay, ushoti I feel like umngani wami because of humble. I understand. She's a humble human being. She's not what I expected her to be. Me, I thought like Ushot's like
rude.
No, not even rude. I thought like uyakhuluma. Young understand. Uyakhuluma yena, but not the way being expecting her. Uyakhuluma. I understand.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so unakhuluma kakhulu.
Yeah.
No, like
expect ukuthi mina.
She's more outspoken
than
Ushot.
Yeah,
I understand.
Okay.
Yeah, like Ushot is humble, down to earth. Like Hana Ntshotsengata, I understand. And then Uwetu is my friend because of Kanabaring wa khona go ikemela. I understand.
Ngikubuza uThido, ke khona u ikemela.
Lena ke khona u ikemela. So if ke chomya high because ke khona go ikemela, which means ra tshwana na le, which means ra khona u ikemela. And since I said already Ntigi is not as outspoken as Uwet. What if a khona u ikemela? But because o tshwere rona re di two, then we can support her. Yeah, understand. Yeah, and also Uwet is humble as well. Not too much. She's the way she is. I understand. And akana feel umngani
Akana
feel umngani wami.
Akanayo. That's why abantu abaningi bazo I rude.
And
I don't understand.
And me, I feel like it's fine like that because if they gonna filter, they won't gonna know how she feels about a certain situation. So alright, that's why I'm friends with her, so that she can also tell us as her friends ukuthi ay mamela ngiyabheda. Le uyenzile awubhedile. Ebone le rona. Okay. Chomi ya rona re jwetsa re butile. A re lokiseng. I understand. Yeah.
Okay. Then short. How? Bona sengithi kuthiwa ushort uzovela TV, ushort uzovela TV. I'm like, hey madoda, yazi ukuthina, I must actually wait for this one. Then ngithe mase ngichecka lapha ku Facebook ngabona neyithombe like so ushutha nama big actors, you know. Yeah, ngabona ukuthi this thing it's on. I went to your TikTok and checked ngayibona video. I think when I don't know if it's a show or what, go Moja Love. Take us through what happened actually. Take us through ukuthi bakufune kanjani, bakuthola kanjani, and how was the experience, you know, like and everything.
So actually like ngithole ku school choir basitholi kahle. Yeah, in school choir. I think the message conductor yethu. Like hayi kune role kanje bafuna ichoir nani. Then conductor yethu mawasitshela mina like eish ikole so shoot but eish mengayithathile ikhanda that much, but I saw as time goes on like misiloko sireheza maybe yabona hayibo uza nabo kanje bani kemede na rate hawu ngisho okay lento serious mos. Then yeah nesisiya ke ukuyoshootha nani ngokumele siphume ku Showmax actually manje angazi Showmax uthi kenzakaleni, maybe ukuthi lento bathiwa ikhipha angazi ifisa khona though. That's why bagcina sebenzani bayikhipha kumzansi bioscope phambili ngegwiji cause man siyacula but ke naye ngipostile naye ngipostile I saw you as phambili ngegwiji ngithi that's me yabo, but dream come true because kudala vele njengoba ngishilo ngithanda icamera
Yeah, ne?
Ave.
Tholeka. Futhi awusayishuthi because ku-vlog ubhili.
Yeah.
This is your
Yeah.
bad shot. Awona maso uyashuthwa manje.
yeah because manje ngivulela lama opportunities because namanje bengathi ngifuna maybe agency into enjalo ngiyakhona ukuthi bengu into kanje nakanje na uyabona ukuthi okay then but then yes
It boosted your profile.
yeah blind
No, I get you. Then how was the experience? Like just to go around like people
it was
who have done
fun
a lot,
yo
like
it was
for
great because mesenza into
acting
esithandayo
Mm.
yabo ucula nje like kudlala ama games abo thando bani olizondi like dlala like maybe ingeto so masisidlala lapha yabo thando kumnandi gwijo like is the show like bayibiza ngakhona phambili ngegwijo yeah they're fun people to hang out with yabo mara bona bekho serious abekunabo Mr Zondi lo wakuphambili ngegwijo ukuthi ngiyalikhohle igama lakhe lamampela but yeah bakham
Okay. Ngizwe ushori athi wenza ama photo shoots and stuff. Ngiyena ngabona something now. Now do you also do ama photo shoots because there's something called iShots photo shoots.
yeah ngiyawayenza ama photo shoot mara it different yabo yena unengizothi ne equipment not fully la ifunayo
Okay.
yabo but yena ushootsa vele ngama camera straight nange phone though but mina simo sami kwamanje ngisaspanisa ifone yabo but nami I'm hoping vele ukuthi sengigcine ngisebenzisa ama camera yabo lawa vele ma photo shoot like ngishoot maybe mishado kanje yeah but nayo une photo shoot ngithola ama camera photographer yami naye hayi umunye ubhode akakhoni nje isombe but yeah cameraman naye
Yeah.
short snaps
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
ngingashutha abantu
Okay. Then ngicela ngitsheleni ngo ubani umngani ka Cute Face Panda la.
him
Umngani wenu.
yeah yeah
Ufola under ma Teddy Boys na.
No,
Yeah.
not that I know of.
akakhoni kuzo
Or is she or he's just a friend?
yeah
Nazana kanjani naye?
yeah sazani kanjani vele last year yeah ungitextile
Okay.
like yeah sure then ngabona ukuthi intwana encane nje ifuna ukuba macala ngathi okay sisimnisha because menge ngimnake if maka umuntu sure uba mngana wakho then obviously ngizothi okay then manje ngiyambona ukuthi umuntu man plus usendleleni saseyanga akakathandi maybe nezinto ezibheke eceleni ngaba like okay since I committed kule friendship nami ngiba committed yabo yeah
Okay. Sesoyivala nje but content ngifuna we understand from you, especially nina ama YouTubers or people who do content or content creation or content creator whatever yabo. As much as nenze khona umunye ozoba like you know what I know I'm just leaving school now. I'm deciding just to leave school. I just want to focus on content. But Nina, you guys are still in school and like you know
qedile
you're done.
ngathi mncane ni
mdala
amdala
qedile isikole
What's unana mos?
sifono
Yeah.
aqedile
yithi
ngesikole
sisesikolweni
yeah
Okay. Like anengitsheleni cause Nina okay when I even uze wasiqeda ngisho isikolo while have that dream yokuthi you know what I just want to fulfill my life and just embrace being a YouTuber no matter the stuff that you come across because very nama struggles very ezinye izinto like is very slow down to a certain extent ukuthi uzoba like ngiyayeka lento le you see as much as ushilo ukuthi yonke lento le idinga like i-patience thing
Yeah.
patience consistent you see in order for you to get to where you want to be yabo yeah but as much as uzowaqeda nana isikolo like to someone maybe uzoba like isikolo man I don't see as if like ngiyasdinga you see when the time you were at school, let's start with you, the time you were still in school, what is it that kept you like going to school? Mhlampe bopusha abazali baba like I just want to do this for my mom, or now you saw a necessity of you going to school regardless of what you still want to be a YouTuber or a content creator.
Okay, what kept me going to school is the hunger for success. I feel if there are people who didn't finish school and they're successful, but on my side, what motivated me to go to school is the hunger for success, because you see different people in school having different dreams and ambitions. So when you see those people with different dreams and ambitions, it pushes you to also push your dream and ambition. So that's what pushed me. And I feel like what also pushed me to go to school is while I was in school, I was still pursuing my photography journey. Even now, I'm still pursuing my photography journey. So I know every Friday, you shoot. Yeah, that's what pushed me as well, so that I can grow more fonder into the knowledge of photography. Yeah.
And then when I shot.
Okay, as much as mina ngaziboni umuntu ovukayo ngemsebenzini yabo like ngivuka emsebenzini ngiyosebenzela omunye umuntu ayi
awuziboni
ngiziboni ngifuna uzisebenzela mina noma ukuthi akusi YouTube ke but ngazi ukuthi ngine business yabo ngiyaholisa mina ukuthi bayangiholisa yabo and isikolo uyasidinga beside noma uthi uba i-content creator ini isikolo uyasidinga because uyadinga ukuthi ukufunda ukuthi izinto ezikanje zisebenza kanjani. Angeke uyishutha ngefoni content uze kuyosali ama mic quality like technology iningi angikuqede njalo every year again izinto ezintsha. So at the end of the day uyayidinga nje education. As much as ungayithanda uread mara uyayidinga yona yabo, because nama editing skills editing ngefoni abantu ba edit ngama laptop manje and awukwazi ukusebenzisa laptop into yazi ifoni ngeke kusebenzi. So school angeke ngithi is the key to success, but you need school. Then you knowledge.
In case content creation
doesn't work out. Yeah.
Tana ngitsheleni yini into ebalekile ngama dance challenges? Cause ngibona nawe uyawenza.
Idlo ngabuqine.
Yeah weda. Cause as much as ETC if we are yenza umuntu bakazo searcha to cool dance maybe kuzovela wena maybe video yami iyevele yaba popular bazongazi ngayo lo ETC ukuthi hayi ekashortly madisi nawo hayi ayakupush
ayakuphusha vela ama DC
because makutrend iDC manje lo muntu lo uzobukela maybe yona most of the time nozugcina pop up ku FYP seka kufollow nje kanjalo. I understand
wona umnikazi like wayo vele
yeah or a comment like a repost
ube sticker maybe sayo ukena isikolo cha nesabasebenzisa mina ezutsa yabo yakuboosta nayo
but goal kusuke kuyini ukuthi i-reach umnikazi wayo or ukuthi ibe popular
people and ukuthi nama followers
mina
just dancing for fun.
Mina give me it's like goal is like for it to reach umnikazi ukuthi nomnikazi abone ukuthi into iyenzayo siyayibona. You understand? That's my goal.
And ivula na ama opportunities ukuthi umnikazi angathoza music video yami
nawo bekhona
yabo.
Asivale nje ukuthi is-educate abantu ne. Yazi ukuthi as young as we are ne, I feel like khona ezinye izinto that we need to go through which need like to teach us responsibility, because irresponsibility I feel like into that you can learn like even like in your younger days is, you know, so that even if like when you are old uzokwazi ukuba responsible. If you remember well usho to tell mama ke no you call a brand and make your own money. That's like being responsible, because if you get like a lot of money you would know how to use money. And you are doing that like at an early age, which is even if you become a millionaire tomorrow, like you're not just gonna like blow it all over and then now so go lapho I blow it. Imagine you short go I blow it today you see. So yeah, mhlambe just to educate people ukuthi because I can hear ukuthi you guys mindset, you know, you are from a families whereby it's well groomed, like they taught you guys well, so in a way there are practices which also maybe got that help you to be the person that you are today, you see, and some of them they taught you responsibility. So these are one of the things that taught me how to be responsible as a person. Omunye maybe nae obugele, maybe just a young kid now, so I'll be like, okay, maybe I can start doing that, you see, because as much as it worked for you, it can also work for someone else too.
Okay, ish. So your question is basically advising another person on,
or even sharing like your own experience on how you actually managed even to become a responsible person, you see, which could also help another person. It can be through your experiences or just you splitting words from the pieces that you pick and say, this is what helped me and stuff, and that's how I got to be here because I did 1, 2, 3.
Okay, being responsible is like a big coat to wear, because if you don't have your big coat, which means you're irresponsible, and if you're irresponsible, you're out of line. So I believe me being responsible was through patience, commitment, and what else? Yeah, I think it was through patience and commitment, because if I commit myself to something, I need to be patient with it for it to work out. I think that's how I am the way I am, is because I'm patient. Also with my God, I'm patient. I don't rush into things that I'm not supposed to rush into. That's how I'm responsible.
Can I shot?
Ay, mina. Abangani bami. My friends. Number one. Because ngiyadlala nabo though, but my mom naye. Yabo. Mom motivated, like I said,
You're blind.
uthi noma ngathi mama sengifuna ukuba uDJ. Ngivuke kusasa ngithi ngifuna ukuba uDJ. Uzokunika lento ukuthi yeah yenze. Mina so TikTok like okay kusinto engizothi ngithathele ikhaya laba makabangani bami ngizothi ama number 1 supporter. Ayi nto nami sikubonile ku 5k ayi tezinjalo into ezincane nje izo zingikhipha motivated. Anginandaba ukuthi abantu if bona basho ukuthi halili or in, but then if abantu enclose nabo bayibona and ba supportive lento engiyenzayo, ngibaba more motivated ukuthi ngiyenze enye into, whether ukuthi ba 2 likes say 10 viewers akusandaba as long bona bayithanda, including nomzalo wami. Yeah, ngiba motivated even more. Yeah, and mind ama negative comments.
Yeah.
Ama negative and positive ones. Because amozoya ngabantu angeke yo. Uyokhabatheka like social media nje ayigcina comment izinto yabo. But ke
sikhuluma ngama pets la.
Exactly.
Kunama negative comments. Makabo basibuza ngayo lesahleka.
Because asinandaba. Sithathele ekhanda. Nabo babayisho maybe abanye abayisho nge-hate mara sabayi-bring out there, and omunye umuntu angayibheka ukuthi cabaka batheni kini, lethi nazi bayi okay sinandaba ama-negative comments ezincane nje zizoba khona so wena continue nje doing like into oyithandayo as long wena uyithanda hayi qhubeka, because nayo lo muntu ombhekele kuye maybe ucale samoya ngazange avuka athi asengo 80k subscribers isebenzele le 80k ufundile ukuthi hayi kukanje, so nawe yeah into nje mindset yakho mayekule nto leyo ungayenza out of pressure njengoba meshile ecaleni, yenze vele ngoba uyithanda into yabo. Yeah.
So even nakho lokho kukwenze to a certain extent ukuthi okay I understand, because I ask about responsibility, but it makes sense more. It's okay, just do your own thing and stuff, because also that's how it taught ikufundise kanjalo ukuthi if you focus on anything, that's how you become responsible. Even if so in a family, you'll focus on your family, and obviously angeke baswele anything because you are there
and you're responsible.
You see, yeah, okay, no, it's fine. It's okay. Yeah. We wanted to share something now.
Nah, it's fine.
Oh,
Mm.
okay. No, thank you guys for coming. Yeah, to the show. So Anisha, esikoleni bekunjani because trend ngalento
Yo.
yama-pets?
Yo. Mina okay, azange ibe ngitrende ngayi miphi mara like lezi zama comments. I think isikolo sama bayinakanga.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ngiphumedia kuphela podcast.
Yeah, ayisabona shorts. Hey, dango machita kanjalo. Yabo. Yeah, ama classmate wami now like, yo, bonile ntana bathini ngithi hayi nani phela. Maybe bayibeka izijuke mara nabo nje. Azange kube into
Yo.
yabo.
Bese sena namahembe. Ibele besiphila kabuhlungu isikela qale yathi.
Sayina amahembe.
Sana mahembe.
Sifuna ngisela amahembe.
Shaya
Ushuta la.
Mina ngishaya amahembe.
Like yangithwala. Hey. Yeah, no, hey.
Yeah, ne?
Wena mthembu wena.
I don't even like to the fullest,
Yo,
Yeah.
cala kanje vele.
Yeah.
Start
small.
Yeah.
Because ngasekasi.
Welo shorts.
Phela manje sebebona
Yebo.
ikasi phela sebebona ngathi big.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the next ngifana nawe.
Yeah, ngifana
Yeah,
nejimbo libo.
Yeah.
Net nje hayi.
Yini Jimbo Limbo man?
Amaji.
Amajinja.
Jimbo Limbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, ne? Okay. Okay. I think we can wrap it up now. But I want you guys to share. Okay, Nina, nzosera ama socials on that camera, or nzowashare on this camera, where they can follow you. Yeah.
All social media platforms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, on Instagram, I'm Shorty with the 3 underscores and a 25, as well as TikTok. And then on YouTube, it's Rainbow Kid Shorty. Yeah, that's where you guys can find me.
On Facebook.
On Facebook, I am there, but I don't use Facebook anymore, so it's okay. Yeah, I'm only on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram.
On
Yeah.
Facebook.
Yeah,
Ha. Mina bengazi mnganami. Bengazi.
angisebenzisi, that's why.
Oh.
But why?
Why? I feel like I had to look for other opportunities in the social media space, and I believe I found opportunities on TikTok and Instagram. Not so much on YouTube because I'm still new, but so much on TikTok and Instagram.
I saw your account. You're on 24K followers, huh?
Yeah, I'm on 24K.
And then go Insta.
Insta, I'm on 5 point something K. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're pushing.
Mina. Yes, short so fine.
Yes.
TikTok and Instagram. Then Facebook and YouTube, I'm sure to say. Yeah.
TikTok where it's too fine. Same as Instagram, Facebook, Tediboy with.
Yeah. Not too fine one, can.
Because we fine.
Because they fun.
Fine like how?
Look at them.
Like fine like
fine.
not fine like it's a sharp. No.
Like
Fine isn't like fine. It's
Sibali.
Sibali.
Huh.
Fine.
Anisha vele. Manje ngathiwa mhlambe niba nentshebe like uthanda intshebe enjani like.
Angikusangazi igama layo. Mara bona bakungaba nepiyode ka
The mustache.
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 Ezolo nje mustache ikhona.
Yeah.
Ngaqala ubuso nje.
Asifuba utaliwanga. Ibe la.
Hayi. Ibe
No,
la.
I got Khotman mara like singiyasho.
Yeah. Probably with a little goatee.
Yeah, you see.
Oh,
mustache,
mustache.
Like, probably with
No,
a little
like-
goatee. Just like
Goatee,
here.
yeah.
But me not on my preference, this one here.
Ne.
Yeah, this one
Yeah.
here. Yeah.
But
the
then
one.
if
Yeah,
you love
you
phela izoba yimbi mayla.
Angeke. If
Angeke la.
ibeka great mara ya.
So manje ngaba nemali ngayifaka.
Hayi.
Mina nginethriller so.
Hayi mina.
Hayi.
Uyazi naye.
Ngiyabona.
Yebona.
Hayi
Ngijabula.
Yo, ngidlela ngami ngine-stress nje.
Mina ngeke ngishintshe.
hayi ngeke.
Angeke.
Right
Oy.
so. Wami ngizozi injector sengiplastic yo.
Siyiplastic.
Yeka.
Hayi nakishapo ke liso.
Yeah.
Okay. I know. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And we are out.